Anyways, the most important part for you guys is fun. We haven't even said it before. Okay, sorry. Okay, it's the
Standing.
It's windy. Welcome back to a new video. Welcome back to the second Uncut, 2 in a row.
Sure. Last video we tried to find our villa.
This video we were showing the villas.
Sure. You better join us.
Come, Chris, come.
Welcome to villa number 1.
And this is the outside area.
Lounge number 1.
2,
3,
4.
Fuck. 5.
and this is the pool. That was the outside area. Now let's get inside. Actual stage. So this is the house. The kitchen area. Chilling area. Chilling area 2. Dining table.
And of course, we got tons of beds.
That was villa number 1. Let's head to villa number 2.
Wait.
Wait,
Back up.
tennis court.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Okay. This is our tennis court.
Alabama, Arkansas, I do love my mom, Paul, not the way that I do love you.
Well, holy moly, Leo, you're the apple of my eye. Girl, I never loved one like you.
Villa number 2.
Yes, Sirski.
We have 2 villas, actually 3, but we're just gonna show 2. We are obviously here, 00 Nation. We're inviting all of our friends. Anyways, we're also here with Tape London, which is a nightclub in London that we are partnering with. And they were opening a little club called Little Tape. So that's like 80% of the reason why we're here. We're combining it with their opening. So we're gonna be clubbing a lot with a lot of our guests. Should we name drop some of the people coming?
Do someone.
Okay.
Do someone.
First squad coming over. Sickos. Sickos is coming. Forrest,
I've never met
Charlie.
them. So
You
I'm
haven't met
excited. No.
them? Insane.
Crazy.
Okay. Second one for you Polish people, Jakub He's coming. He just climbed Mount Everest and he's coming right here to celebrate. So gonna be insane. But anyways, back to what I said. Something really cool happened. Tape was gonna open a club, but last minute they decided that they want to bring us along on the journey. So we are actually opening a club with Tape, and it's not gonna be called Little Tape anymore. It's gonna be called Tape Nation.
Boom.
So Tape Nation is the new club to go to if you're at Mykonos. It's gonna be insane, and we're heading there tonight for the opening.
But I feel like we're name dropping way too much right now, aren't we?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Anyways, the most important part for you guys is slams. Fun slams! We haven't even said it before. Okay, sorry. Okay,
5
it's
to 10 certain
the
mind
competition,
You guys are
which
serious, bro.
we're gonna call slams. Me and Trolls hosting. Me and Trolls, we are also inviting 20 Dutsers, 15 Dutsers. We're gonna have a show for Mykonos, like we said in the last Uncut, and the competition is gonna be called slams.
Oof. Logo drop?
We don't have a logo yet. Anyways, let's run through the villa real quick because we have to go up, shower, get ready for Santana, and then opening our club.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Get ran through.
Boom, boom, boom.
Slams, baby.
The pool. The view, of course. We got some children.
You are never too young to join the team. 0-0, you can be 0 days old. Come join.
0 days old.
Tour.
He's almost 0 years old.
We got Chris. Freaking Chris.
Name, bro.
Lounge, we eat or get eaten by mosquitoes. It's not a 0-0 Nation house without some gaming.
Consoles.
Tovan don't want to be on cam, but he's the guy who makes all the special effects for 0-0 Nation. Is this kitchen?
Here we got Anya.
I'm the chef, I'm the cleaning lady, I'm the mommy. I do everything.
She used to have a hole in her belly.
Yes, I actually did. You want to hear about that?
No, we'll take that
Or
later.
when I put the thing in my ass?
Food for Hey, you put what in your ass? It's really important to be hydrated, but you know one thing I really miss when I'm traveling a lot? Fucking Norwegian tap water, bro. Tap water. You know, if you haven't been in Norway, Norwegian tap water.
This shit.
It makes it gets the job done, but it's not the same.
We should have our own water, later.
That isn't an idea though.
It's actually pretty smart because we're always in the water. Like, but we're in the salt water. Something fresh.
Fill a pool with our
Guys,
own water.
should we make our own 0-0 Nation water? Wait, water?
I think that's a good idea, for sure.
I'm down.
Drinkable pool water, drinkable, stay hydrated. I don't know.
Pool water.
Easy to brand actually, it's water.
Okay, room tour?
Sunny days, huh?
Sunny days, windy days.
And there's the gym.
That's where we're having our dates with our PT coach.
20-minute ab workout, Cruceria.
This house is a bit nicer than our house.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Shower, toilet, you got everything.
Yeah, wash your hands now.
Let's go to the closet or downstairs.
There's one word Chris hates to pronounce, and it's jewelry. Let's see if he will remember. Chris, come here, the walk-in closet.
Give a tour. What are we seeing?
Oh, there's a lot of jewelry. Oh! Jewelry! These guys have been picking on me for so long because I can't say. I usually said jewelry. And I
Love you for
and
being
then
honest.
and then suddenly Jules comes up, bro. Are you struggling to say some words? I was like, what do you mean? Kind of broke my heart. And then she's like,
That's okay.
Put in
yeah,
the work.
yeah. And then he said like, go jewelry. And I was like, jewelry.
Moral of the story: it's never too late to learn new things.
That's character shades.
Yeah, it's not ours.
No. Okay, let's do it.
These are insane though. I think there's like 6 more rooms downstairs. We're not gonna show you all of them.
Tons of art. End the villa tour with a desk in the pool and prepare for the party tonight.
There's a lunch here as well.
Yeah, we're gonna have different guests coming every week, and some gonna stay the whole time. But now, a lot of Swedish artists, Swedish creators are coming. Yeah. Adam.
We might bring you along, you know?
Yeah.
And then it's lunch, you know? For the hungry boys and girls. Check this out.
Let's eat, TT, let's eat. You hungry, huh?
So good at being in trouble. Spending my days out in the ghetto.
Yes, it does.
Mama say that I need to be careful.
Down.
Downtown, like the food. Car overheated and they can't afford a rental.
Just vibes. Oh, hi there.
Turning up my head.
Life is pretty good. Mykonos. Let's go, cheers.
What's going on?
That's his school, you know? Teaching them Swedish boys how to dance. See the 360? How do you do the 360? And like this. 360!
Let's go! Oh! Hey! Solve this problem. You Swedish people aren't as dumb as they say. Yeah! What the hell was that?
Okay, so we in here. We in here.
Santa.
Santana. We need some drinks though. Why is it empty?